Good morning, loves. I originally wasn't going to film today, mostly because my tripod is super broken. I keep trying to fix it with various methods. The last method was duct tape, and that worked for a good 5 minutes, and then it just fell off again, But today, I am in the Olympic Peninsula, and it is 75 degrees and sunny and clear, and it is also the 4th of July. So I don't know, man, it just feels like a day to be recorded and shared. So today we are parked at a trailhead. We're gonna try and do Mink Lake today. After this trail, I'm really not sure what I want to do. I'm right on top of Crescent Lake, right over the way there. So I think that I might try and get my swim on after this hike, because I really like swimming in lakes, especially lakes in northern Washington, because they're just so beautiful. So we might do that. And then I don't know, man, I thought about not going to any 4th of July activities just because it's kind of overstimulating, but I'm kind of in the mood to see some fireworks today. So I don't know, I think maybe I'll head over to Forks, because Forks is having a big 4th of July festival. And if you don't know anything about Forks, Forks is the Twilight town. If you're into Twilight at all, you know what Forks is. So yeah, yeah. Bye-bye. Yay. All done. I saw this cool thing that looked like a waterfall on the way back, so I turned around and I'm gonna check out whatever that is, because I love me some waterfalls. This water looks gorgeous, but I think that there is a pretty good undercurrent in there, so I'm not gonna swim in it. This is beautiful. I wish you could like really see how clear this water is and how beautiful and blue it is, because on camera it's just not, it just doesn't do it justice. That was cool. All right, let's go find that lake. I am desperate for some water on my body. Oh my goodness. We took a very stressful detour to get water because I had run out, so I went to a nearby ranger station, and it was just, the whole place was just packed with people because that ranger station was right on top of a beach, and it's the 4th of July and it's 75 and sunny. So I stopped off on the side of the highway next to the lake, and this is where I'm gonna swim from because it's kind of difficult to get down to the water, so I should remain alone, hopefully. But yeah, okay, I'm gonna swim. So where I am is kind of fun because like there's a little bit of stone that comes out and then it's a very steep drop into where I can't touch. So yeah, it's beautiful. It's beautiful. I hiked that mountain yesterday. That's Pyramid Peak. And over there behind me is Mount Storm King. Alright, I just got changed and we are going to head down by Forks and see what's going on. See if I can catch some fireworks this evening or something, because that would be real fun. I think that I would like that. I found a spot to park for the fireworks. The fireworks are in a public park over there behind the auto parts place. And oh man, there's so many people everywhere. There's so many cars. I'm just here for fireworks, but fireworks don't start until dusk, so I might put on my noise canceling headphones and just walk around. Okay, I'm wearing this shirt because that's the only thing I have that's red, white, and blue, and I am gonna go try and find a hot dog before the fireworks start. So I'm gonna get out of the car. We're doing it. May I please have the chicken street tacos?
How many would you like? That's what one of them looks like.
That's what one of them looks like? Oh, can I have two?
You can?
Yeah. So, no hot dogs, but I did find street tacos. Oh my goodness. That's so much better than a hot dog. Oh my god. Hot dogs are disgusting. Bruh. That was delectable. That was delicious. Oh my god.